Intelligence chief asked me to resign in 2014, says ex-Premier Sharif. Ousted Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif said on Wednesday that the references being heard by an accountability court against him now are byproducts of him filing a high treason case against former military dictator Pervez Musharraf as the premier. When asked why the London Flats reference had been filed against him, Sharif said that all these cases as well as the sit-ins against his government were punishment for him taking legal action against Musharraf despite being warned not to do so. He continued replying 128 questions put to him by Mohammed Bashir in the Accountability Court. He said that the chief of an intelligence agency had told him, during 2014 sit organized by the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) and Pakistan Awami Tehreek (PTM), to resign or go on long leave, adding that such threats by a subordinate to the head of the government are not issued even in third world countries. The ex-premier said that both the PTI and PAT were part of the conspiracy against him. Before the filing of the treason case I had met Imran Khan and he never demanded my resignation. But surprisingly, after Musharraf was booked for high treason, Imran met PAT chief Allama Tahir al-Qadri in London where they decided to stage a sit-in against my government. The PMLN Supreme Leader praised the armed forces' sacrifices and pointed out that he had upped the defense budget and also refused $5 billion to not conduct the nuclear test in May 1998. However, he said, it is also a prerequisite for the sanctity of the armed forces that if any person suspends the Constitution then he should be held accountable. Only a few people in the armed forces staged a coup, but the entire institution has to pay the cost. Sharif said that he had already been punished once for his unwavering stance on civil supremacy, recalling, 19 years ago, I was detained in torture cells, I was sentenced to life imprisonment, I was handcuffed and jetted off. Was there a Panama Papers scandal at that time? The answer is simply no. At that time, too, I was demanding civil supremacy. I wanted foreign and domestic policies to be in the hand of the elected representative. He defended his government's record over the last 5 years, saying, I am a son of the soil. I don't need a certificate of patriotism from anyone. In the last 5 years, the growth has been phenomenal, unmatched under any regime in the last 65 years. Sharif voiced his displeasure over the Supreme Court's July 28 verdict. That verdict may satisfy some people, but it was not good for the overall image of Pakistan. It did not contribute to the judiciary or criminal justice system because of the uncertainty arising after the verdict. He questioned the National Accountability Bureau (NAB) court as to why judiciaries of the past did not do anything against dictatorial regimes. Why was Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan martyred? Why was Zulfikar Bhutto hanged? And why was Benazir Bhutto also martyred? I wish there was a court that could dare to ask generals why they abrogated the constitution and why the judges legitimized their dictatorial regimes.